Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your phone number on WhatsApp? Step by step clearly. Open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Navigate to the settings menu. On Android, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. On iPhone, look for the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Select account from the options available. Choose change number. You will see tap next to proceed. Enter your current phone number in the first field. Make sure to include the country code. In the second field, enter your new phone number. Again, include the country code for your new number. Tap next to continue. WhatsApp will prompt you with confirmation details. Review the information carefully. If everything is correct, tap done. WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new number. Check your messages for the verification code. Enter the code in the prompt provided. After successful verification, your account information will transfer to the new number. You are now ready to use WhatsApp with your new phone number. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.